vlog. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and I have no idea what I'm going to name this video, but I am about to go out for brunch right now. I need to get myself together first of all and clean my apartment a little bit, just straighten up. I've been editing all morning just so that I can get a vlog up, and I also got a YouTube short up as well, and I filmed some TikTok, so it has been a pretty productive morning. But yeah, so now I'm about to get myself ready so that I can go to brunch. I'm almost done editing that vlog, and it has to go up at 3, and it's 12 right now, 12:30. So right now I'm trying to figure out what I'm wearing. It is very cold. It's been very cold recently. It was snowing yesterday, so I need to bundle up, but I also want to be cute, so I don't really know. Also, I need to go to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in forever, I feel like, so I need to work that into my schedule, and I need to go grocery shopping. So maybe today will be like an errands run, productive type vlog. Actually, that's probably what it will be. So if that's something you're interested in coming along with me on that, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay, update. I'm running so far behind, and I'm just now exporting my video, which is kind of bad. I needed that video to be exported like 30 minutes ago, but it's okay. I think it's kind of cute. It's my flight day, so I'm running so far behind, and now I'm kind of like in a rush. But so here's my before and after. Obviously I'm in the car now. I'm headed to brunch. I'm running way behind. I was supposed to be there 30 minutes ago, which I feel so bad about. But yeah, while I'm up here, like I said, I have a few other things I want to do. I don't even know if I'm going to make it there with like how much gas I have, but actually I will. I'm about 10 minutes away now. I just uploaded my video. While I'm there, I have to make a thumbnail and all that other extra stuff, so I will do that. And yeah, like today has been go so far, and I'm not complaining. Anyways, I will update you guys whenever I am there. Here's to me always being late to everything. Vlog, I'm in here now. We had fried pickles, got my wings. Andy's here. She got her, what is this? Salad, huge salad.
It's the chicken salad.
It's a chicken salad. You better come up here and get one of these. But yeah, so I'm excited about the wings. I might get more fried pickles. Fried pickles were really good.
They were.
And now we're spilling tea. The best thing is when you realize there's a mirror right there. Okay, I'm leaving brunch now, and it's literally hours later at this point. It's so cold. But I need to get gas, so I think I'm going to get gas and then head back toward,
in a quarter mile,
back toward my apartment. And yeah, so but first things first, I need to get gas. Oh my goodness, it is so cold. Oh my goodness, man, it is freezing. Like, who actually likes this weather? I cannot. The way it was, Andy told me it was snowing this morning, and I missed it because, you know, I was knocked out. But yeah, it was snowing this morning, and oh my gosh, my nose is so red. But yeah, so I just want to go to the mall, and then I can go grocery shopping. And I'm thinking I'm making dinner tonight. Yes, I am making dinner. I said I was gonna make some pasta tonight, so I need to look up a recipe. And one second, I gotta get direction. Okay, I'm finally headed in the right direction now to go home. But I just gotta say, I love those brunches. Andy and I probably have brunch maybe twice a month, maybe once a month. And so with everything being so like spread apart, we always have so much tea to spill. So we always have just so much to talk about and so much to catch each other up on. So I actually really love that. I don't know, bro, it's just so cold. I don't know what I'm saying, but right now I have about a 30-minute drive before I get home. Oh my gosh, look at my brows. That lady does so good. I did not fill in my brows today, and I think they look so good. And I just think I look like a completely different person with my lash extensions too. Yeah, I feel like I just look so much more put together. Okay, so I'm at TJ Maxx Home Goods. I literally just pulled in, and like I said, I kind of already have an idea of what I want. I want the fluffy earmuffs things that are like Bluetooth headphones. I want those. And then other than that, I'm just gonna see where this trip takes me. I might go to Aeropostale or something like that too, just to see if they have like cute workout pants. But I don't know. I have a cart on Shein with like workout stuff, so I might just stick to that. I think the best part about being single around the holiday season is treating myself. When did TJ Maxx start carrying Uggs? Wait, am I like super behind or something? When do they start carrying Uggs? I just really wish they had more of these. I like these, but they're not in my size. The ones that are in my size are this purple color. I don't really like those. I'm not really finding anything at all today. I'm leaving Aeropostale now, which is normally like the hit store for me, but I don't really see anything in here, and I don't really feel like going to the other stores. No duck right here means I'll probably not get anything. Oh, I don't even have to go in there. No deal. Okay, I'm gonna go back to TJ Maxx, do one more run through, and then I need to go grocery shopping. Guys, they have another one, but this one's silver. I don't know if you remember. Oh, they have another gold one. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but in my last vlog I told you that I have one of these, but I couldn't find one for my sisters, and now I see a gold one and a silver one, but I have a gold one, so I think it would be cute if we all have the same thing. I just sat in the car for a quick second to respond to comments on my last few videos, and now I'm going in, grabbing some groceries. I don't know if I'm gonna completely restock today. I might just like get some cozy stuff. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a cozy night, watch a cozy movie because it is literally freezing. So I'm just going to get a few movie night type cozy snacks, and that's what I'm doing tonight. Fun fact, this is my favorite section to come in when I go to Walmart. It's like the section right off to the side, kind of like it is in Target. I think they literally copied Target with that, but I just love seeing like all of the knickknacks and cool things, and most of the stuff I look forward to getting for Vlogmas. So I did decide that I am doing Vlogmas this year. As hard as it's going to be, I think I have actual set content because of how some things are working out in my life right now. I think I have like set Vlogmas content, so this should be very interesting. Even if that doesn't work out, I'll still probably do Vlogmas, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you're interested, hit subscribe because I know a lot of YouTubers aren't doing Vlogmas this year or anymore, and that kind of makes it sad, but like I kind of want to keep going because I like Vlogmas, and I always feel like really accomplished whenever I get to the end of it and I finish it. So if I start, I'm definitely going to finish. I just looked at Pinterest to get an idea of what I want for this movie night, and I decided I'm going to bake something. I wanted to start getting into baking anyway, so I think this will be really easy because I want to start baking from scratch actually. So I think I'm going to get that. This is just plain vanilla frosting. Pretty sure it's green and has this. So, or is that too Christmassy? That might be too Christmassy. I'm just gonna get the plain white, and how we're gonna decorate it. Should I be aesthetic and do like white on white? I know I don't want anything colorful, so I don't know if the pink will taste good though. I'm doing coconut pecan. That would be it would be both pretty, I think. Actually, it might be kind of ugly, but I think it will be delicious. I had to call my mom to figure out which size pan, but I really want to make a cake in this cute little pan. Like, how adorable is that? Okay, I'm home and I brought all of my groceries up, but I need to like clean everything so I can kind of give you a haul of what I got. I will lean you up against the eggs, so just know I got some eggs as well. And I'm trying to hide the mess that is my apartment right now. I got back from my trip and I haven't cleaned yet. I will do that in tomorrow's vlog, not tonight. But yeah, so I got this 6-inch pan because imagine a cake in this. This would be so cute. So I can't wait to bake a cake in this, but I want like the materials or the utensils you use to like squeeze the icing on the cake, and it's just so cute. But I also got 2 9-inch pans, a spatula set, a new whisk, plain white cake. You guys saw me get that. And then I got coconut pecan icing. And then I also got some vegetable oil. And then I also got some tomato soup to go along with my cozy night that we're about to have. Oh, and I got new mixing bowls for no reason at all, because I definitely have mixing bowls and they definitely look just like this, except they're pink. But I really wanted blue, so. I am fresh and out of the shower. I put on a tank top that I literally never wear. And then I also have on just some black shorts that you can't really see because I have you guys propped up, but you'll see them later. Now I'm going to do some really quick skincare, and I've already like put lotion on and everything. I just wanted to wait to do my face on camera. So I'm putting on some aloe vera gel, and I kind of have a huge knot right there because when I got in the shower, I literally slammed my head against the wall. I slipped on the floor, slammed my head against the wall. So that's what that is. Ignore that. That'll be gone soon, I hope. And then I'm also going to put on some moisturizer just really quickly to make sure my skin is moisturized. And feel free to comment if I'm not putting this on right. I know there's like a specific way to rub things onto your face to prevent wrinkles, but I have just not felt like looking that up. So now the part I'm most excited about, actually baking the cake. Everything is nice and clean, and I'm not going to use all of these, so I'm going to put up what I'm not going to use. Now that I got everything put up, it's time for the fun part. This part is actually very easy. You just literally follow directions on the back. So I've already set the oven to 350, and I kind of like to have the light on so I can see the inside. So I went ahead and set it to 350. Now coat the bottom of the pan with nonstick cooking spray. I already did that, and now I can beat the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in the bowl. It's so hard because I'm using my phone to vlog, and I'm also I hate that noise. Ah, man, that noise is kind of like scraping on a chalkboard. I'm literally just doing half and half for both content sites or whatever. I did half of the bag for TikTok, and here's half the bag for YouTube. All I know is I really hope I don't mess this up trying to do half and half for TikTok and YouTube, because it called for 1 cup of water, so I did half, right? Yeah. A half a cup for TikTok and a half a cup for YouTube to make 1 full cup of water. Okay, I just filmed TikToks, and now here's the other 4th for YouTube. Cup of oil. And it says to use a mixer, but I don't really think it makes that big of a difference if I just use a fork. She's all done. See, I told you it really would not make a difference. As long as you get like the flour clunks out of there, I feel like you're good to go. I'm done pouring this into here, but I don't remember if this beeped or not saying it's ready. I'm assuming not, since that's still blinking. Okay, so update for you. I've just been chilling here watching Netflix. I'm watching The Watcher right now, only because I just finished watching Love is Blind, and I would have been watching Love is Blind. If you haven't watched Love is Blind, I would suggest it. It's so good. But yes, so I'm also just eating my soup, and yeah, the cake it says 8 minutes on the clock. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what I'm doing, and I'll get back to you when it's time to decorate the cake. It is a bit later, and as you can see, I'm touching the pan, so you know that it's cool now. I already took them out. I've seen people like just flip it, so I kind of want to try that. Hold on. I don't know how to get this up. a little lopsided, so if I really wanted to make it straight, I could have like cut it before icing it. But other than that, she's kind of cute. I just know I'm going to need a lot of water, like a ton of water with this. That is a huge piece. That's what the inside looks like. I took my aesthetic picture. This is another look at it. It looks so good. Can you imagine if I was like, oh, this is disgusting? No, it literally just tastes like birthday cake with a more mature frosting. I'm very happy with how she turned out. But yeah, so that is actually going to conclude this video. I'm so ready to hop back into bed and just watch Netflix and chill. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.